This grainy black and white video may not seem clear, but for Ethan Theophilus, undergoing a sleep study at the Rex Sleep Disorder Center, the results clearly show what's been causing some restless problems at home.
The wife was kind of elbowing me every night, saying, roll over, you're snoring. And of course, it affects the kids during the day because the wife is kind of irritable when she wakes up. It wasn't a very good morning in the household when things were going on.
Not just an unhappy home, but a tiring day at work, too.
I'm waking myself up snoring, which is a big issue. And then I was paying for it during the working hours.
All this happening to a man who, by profession, is a sleep technician.
I was tired, and so I ran, it's kind of got to that point to where I, as a sleep professional, had to recognize that I need to do this myself.
Ethan underwent the sleep study. The findings for Ethan: obstructive sleep apnea.
Sleep apnea is when people have a partial or complete collapse of their upper airway. We'll see some people have 90 to 100 obstructive apneas per hour. When you have a complete collapse of your airway, there's an increase in pressure in your thoracic chest, and that can put a pressure wave that the heart has to beat against.
Stop breathing at 45 times an hour, and with that, 45 times an hour was the arousals of my brain aroused. So it's kind of looked like running a race all night.
In another Raleigh home, active teenager James Gillis was also having problems at bedtime.
I would snore a lot, and then, as I was told, I would stop in the middle of the night and quit breathing, period, and then I start back up again, and it had my mom worried, and it had me worried as well.
It left him with no energy and a less than sunny personality.
Drained, as if I worked a regular 9 to 5. I should be getting a full night's rest. Why am I so drained? Why am I so cranky to everybody when I wake up?
He would wake up tired and grumpy and, ooh.
But for his family, James's ordeal turned into more than annoyance.
It was a big fear.
Her and my dad and my little sister had to tell me, yeah, you actually stopped breathing while you're sleeping. And it kind of creeped me out a little bit.
During the night, you would hear him breathing all hard, and you would just stand at the door, and then he would stop.
A sleep study diagnosed sleep apnea. The solution for James and for Ethan, a CPAP machine, which promotes airflow.
Made miraculous difference. I mean, I didn't have to stand at the door and wonder, okay, is he going to wake up or stop breathing, or do I need to go in and shake him? After that sleep study and the CPAP machine, it was like a totally different child. I mean, he wasn't as tired. He could focus more in school. His whole attitude at home changed because if you have a grumpy 12-year-old, yeah.
And what about Ethan Theophilus and a wife who couldn't take his snoring any longer?
Life is much better, more energy, happier household, I should say, as well.